not the usual teleshopping shows you watch on TV.
You don't see any phone numbers or rupees 999 only price tags here on the screen. We will not exaggerate or try hard to sell this product.
It's a simple product and we'd like to keep it that way without any compromise on effect. A tested and approved product which provides complete solution for weight and body cholesterol level management with improved fat burning capacity. It's 100% natural and hence is not harmful. Take a sachet of Sit and Burn fat and mix it with 350 ml of lukewarm water and shake it well and drink. Add 200 ml water and drink again. Do this 20 minutes before every meal. The quantity of intake depends on the BMI of an individual.
It expands and occupies space in the stomach and allows you to eat much lesser than you usually do. Also, excess fat and cholesterol gets well stored and locked in our body. Ingredients in this product reduces fat deposition, absorbs, burns, and flushes out excess fat and cholesterol from our body.
Hortene helps to burn out the fat, improves and maintains muscle bulk, helps burn more calories by increasing muscle mass.
Psyllium husk are a source of dietary insoluble fiber. It absorbs bile, water, toxins, and waste materials. It helps reduce irritable bowel syndrome, balance blood sugar levels, lower excess cholesterol levels for a healthy heart, improves digestion, and helps promote regularity and easy elimination. It spreads out, expands, and occupies space in the stomach, also wipes out all the excess cholesterol from our body.
Papaya helps in digestion. Potassium and fiber content in papaya helps tighten the tummy and get rid of wrinkles. Papaya helps improve the function of antioxidants, which in turn helps attain a clear glowing skin and reduces cancer risk. It also helps in proper hair growth.
Ginseng root helps people lose body weight and boosts energy level. It contains B12, biotin, and pantothenic acids which are good for overall body system. Panax ginseng is a very popular traditional Chinese medicine which helps reduce body weight. It also increases the calorie burning process which in turn leads to losing weight easily.
Garcinia cambogia extract works in 3 ways. It helps burn the sugar you eat rather than adding it as fat stores. Lowers the leptin in blood. Leptin is a hormone that triggers the feeling of hunger. It releases the happy hormones that keeps us calm and helps control our mood.
L-carnitine tartrate is proven to be one of the most effective ingredients to help reduce body fat. They reduce the fat storage cells in our body. It helps burn fat at a higher rate, leading to faster fat reduction in our body. It is helpful in reducing the irritability and nervousness caused due to following a low-carbohydrate diet plan. Also helps in protecting us from diabetes, cardiovascular diseases, and liver disorders.
Guar Gum lowers blood cholesterol, slows the rate of starch digestion and glucose absorption following a meal. It is medically proven that diabetic patients treated with Guar Gum showed blood glucose levels lowered by 17%. It is helpful in regulating bowel habits and cures irritable bowel syndrome.
Green tea helps reduce blood fat, cholesterol, biotetanus, removes toxins from the body, reduces food craving, and help eliminate excess water from our body. It enhances our body's energy levels, protects heart by ensuring easy blood flow, thereby reducing the risk of heart attack and fights against various cancer.
So that is Sit and Burn Fat, 100% natural ingredients working together to keep an individual hale and healthy without interrupting or disturbing the life and lifestyle of that person.
This is definitely a better, safer, and cheaper option when compared to gym and other surgeries.